Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can adjust your timeline on CapCut PC. So to do that, you are going to select your video. Well, I'm actually just going to select a lot of videos to show you an example of it. Let me just delete this real quick. So I'm just going to select a lot. I'm just going to place it here. And as you can see, I can barely see the clips on like where to trim it. So to do that, you're just going to zoom in. You're just going to select this button. You can either select zoom to fit timeline and you can see a little bit more. But if you can't see it, you're just going to drag this to the right to zoom it in a lot more. And here if you want to condense it. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.